Humans aren't always great at self-control, especially when it comes to things that are abundant and tasty. Unfortunately, our appetites have led to the extinction of many animals. Let's take a look at some of the species we've lost due to our thoughtless exploitation. First up, the dodo. These flightless birds once thrived on the island of Mauritius. Weighing about 50 pounds, they had no natural predators, so they weren't afraid of the Portuguese sailors who discovered them in 1507. But that made them easy prey. The sailors hunted them for food, and when monkeys, pigs, and rats were brought to the island, they feasted on the dodo's eggs. By 1681, the last dodo was gone. Next is Steller's sea cow. Discovered in 1741 near the Komandor Islands in the Bering Sea, these gentle giants were over 30 feet long and weighed around 22,000 pounds. Unfortunately, they couldn't dive deep, making them easy targets for Russian seal hunters. They were hunted to extinction in less than 30 years, by 1768, and sadly, no preserved specimens remain. Another tragic loss is the passenger pigeon. Once, billions of these birds filled the skies of North America. But as settlers moved west, passenger pigeons were hunted by the millions for their meat. Entire colonies were wiped out in a single breeding season. By 1914, the last known passenger pigeon, Martha, died in the Cincinnati Zoo. Then there's the Eurasian aurochs. This wild ox was a fierce game animal, standing 6 feet tall with massive horns. Excessive hunting drove their numbers down, and by the 13th century, only nobles could hunt them. In 1627, the last known aurochs died in Poland. The great auk, a flightless seabird, was another victim of human greed. Found in the North Atlantic, they were slaughtered in massive numbers for food and bait. By 1844, the last known great auks were killed for a museum collection in Iceland. Finally, the woolly mammoth. These giants roamed the earth until about 7,500 years ago. While climate change played a part in their extinction, human hunting likely delivered the final blow. Even the mighty mammoth couldn't withstand both a warming world and relentless human predation. These animals serve as a reminder of the impact humans can have on the world. It's a call to action for us to protect the species that remain before it's too late.